Hey everyone, it's Joanne. So if you own a Whirlpool or maybe a Maytag or KitchenAid refrigerator, you know the replacement filters can get really pricey. So I took a chance on a budget-friendly alternative. It's the Glacier Fresh refrigerator water filters. This filter snapped in perfectly, the right size, the right fixture. We had no problem putting it in. It has not had any leaks. The water tastes crisp and clean, just like the original filters. It says the filter is made with Sri Lanka coconut shell activated carbon, but it's also PBA free. It uses a filtration system that reduces 97.9% of the chlorine and other impurities, and it keeps the beneficial minerals in the water just like the original filters. Each filter lasts about 6 months, just like the original ones. They include the reminder stickers so you know when to change it. My fridge will tell me when to change the filter, so I haven't had to use the stickers. I love that these are the same fit, and they give me the clean water. You just put them right up there where you would put your filter. They give us the clean water, just like the original ones. I love that these are the same fit, better price, saves us money, gives us the nice clean water that we're used to, filters it perfectly. We love them.